Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is how to make mandazi. Kindly subscribe and hope you love my recipe. Ingredients: flour, milk, eggs, margarine, sugar, pinch of salt, cinnamon optional, lemon zest and juice. 1. In a bowl, add in all your dry ingredients: flour, cinnamon, sugar, salt, and cinnamon. Mix them together. 2. In the mixture, add margarine, eggs, lemon juice and zest and milk. Mix them to form a dough that is soft and stretchy. 3. On a clean surface, roll out the dough into a good thickness. It should be rolled into a thick dough to avoid getting hard after deep frying. 4. Cut into preferable sizes and shapes. Cover them and allow them sit for 20 minutes. 5. In a medium, heat your cooking oil. Once ready, dip in your pieces and fry them till golden brown. Allow them to cool. Serve with tea or coffee.